On this episode, we have an interview with Mark from West Mountain Radio. Hello, this is John W7DBO with the Field Radio Podcast. If you want to learn more about how to get your gear and get outdoors, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. I've just returned from Orlando Hamcation 2018, and while there, I got some interviews to bring to you. This is an interview with Mark from West Mountain Radio. Their products provide a rock-solid and the go-to choice for electronic consumption and analysis in the field. We're at Orlando Hamcation 2018 at the West Mountain Radio booth. We have Mark with us, and you know West Mountain Radio for their durable and field operative power gates, but not only for your shack but also on the field. So, Mark, how's the Hamcation going for you?
Very, very busy. We've sold out on a lot of items for the stuff that we brought to the show. It was very busy yesterday, and it's been busy so far this morning.
So, what's your hot item here at the show that you said you sold out on?
The Epics, the clear speakers.
Okay, so the clear speaker is another one, because a lot of times when you're trying to pull out comms in the VHF, UHF spectrum, you don't really have filters, and that's kind of where your speakers come in.
Yeah, it gets rid of all the hash, gets rid of the buzzes and all of the repetitive noises, anything that's not a human voice it takes out of there. So it really does a good job. We've got a demo here of that, and the people, once they hear it, they just want to buy it right on the spot, and we didn't bring enough.
So your Epic Power Gate, that has taken everything by storm. You've been able to combine your Power Gate with a solar charge controller, and the big thing was it went LiFePO 4, so stuff like BioNO Power works with it.
Exactly. It works for both the lead acid and all of the lithium technologies. The voltage drop is far less than our older Power Gate. Our older Power Gate is about a third of a volt drop. The new one is always less than 50 millivolts drop. So it's a really more advanced thing. It means we also don't need the giant heatsink that we used to have. So it's got a microcontroller in there that shows you a lot about the status. You've got a USB port on there so you can see exactly what's going on inside the unit. Very popular.
Yeah, so that's a great item for Go kits, Go boxes, but also SOTA guys. That comes in pretty light for being able to run solar on SOTA.
Absolutely.
Okay, anything else? How can they contact you and find out more information?
Our website, westmountainradio.com, and there's a lot of information on the site, and support is always available.
Okay, all right. Thank you for taking the time.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. This is John W7DBO with the Field Radio Podcast. Until next time, get your gear and get outdoors, and I'll see you on the air. 73.